Hello and welcome to NORAD4U.com. Please visit our e-store 4hsbyhs.com. This video is about Y-Shield RF blocking paint. We are testing the blocking effect using a Dectphone as the RF source. Let's start with applying the paint over a cardboard. Please note that our source is a Dectphone, which is laid on the table. The outcome is clear. Less RF radiation is measured when the painted cardboard is between the meter and the source. Please visit our e-store at www.4hsbyhs.com. Please visit our info site NORAD4U.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.